Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you the honest review of TurboTax Premier. TurboTax Premier is a popular tax preparation software known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. You can boost your knowledge with TurboTax Live Assisted Premium website. You can get help with TurboTax Live Assisted Premium and save $240 on average compared to other tax professionals. Let a tax expert do taxes for you with live full service, or you can get expert help as you go in a review final with Live Assisted. You will see TurboTax Premium, which converts investment like stocks, crypto, and rental property income. You can get started with $129 only. You will see Live Assisted Premium, which includes investments like stocks, crypto, and rental property income with unlimited tax advice from real tax experts. You can get started with $219 only. TurboTax is updated regularly to reflect the latest tax laws and regulations, ensuring accuracy in tax calculations and filings. A Form 1040 return with limited credits is one that is filed using IRS Form 1040. Roughly 37% of taxpayers are eligible. TurboTax is updated regularly to reflect the latest tax laws and regulations, ensuring accuracy in tax calculations and filings. Let us discuss some cons of the TurboTax Premier website. There can also be additional fees for certain services, such as state tax filings or live expert assistance, which can add to the overall cost. TurboTax offers a free version, but it is limited in terms of the tax situations it can handle. While TurboTax has measures in place to protect user data, some users may prefer offline or more privacy-focused options. You can sign into your account by adding your personal information, income and expenses, credits, taxes, and more. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.